voicing for women. You can hear thousands of
stoves instead of pianos because they had the misfortune of being born a woman.
Remember the whispers, the shadows, the chains that bound our mothers, stifled their brains. Denied the vote, the voice, the seat at the table, told their dreams were too wild, their spirits unstable. But the whispers grew louder, a chorus of might, demanding equality, justice, and light. We marched, we organized, we fought for argue, for a world where women's voice rings strong and true.
Now I stand tall, a leader, a force to be seen. My voice in the halls of power, sharp and keen. I make decision, shape policy, break every mold. A testament to the strength, the story untold.
But the fight's not over, not while some are left behind. Marginalized, silenced, their potential confined. We lift up the voices of the unheard and unseen, providing resources, mentorship, a supportive scene. Empower women, empower all.
Break the barriers, answer the freedom calls.
For a future where every voice can rise and soar.
Building a world where justice reigns forevermore.
Remember the past, the struggles, the pain. But celebrate the progress, the victories we gain.
I am here. I will not be silent.
We will all be heard. Empower women and marginalized groups towards a brighter future.